What is robotics? Robotics is the interdisciplinary field of science and engineering that deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. Robots are automated machines that can perform tasks with speed, precision, and accuracy, often exceeding human capabilities. Key components of robotics. 1. Mechanical engineering. Design and development of robot structures, mechanisms, and actuators. 2. Electrical engineering. Development of control systems, sensors, and electronics that power robots. 3. Computer science. Programming and software development for robot control, navigation, and decision-making. 4. Artificial intelligence (AI*). Integration of AI algorithms for robot learning, adaptation, and autonomy. Types of robots. 1. Industrial robots. Used in manufacturing, assembly, and material handling. 2. Service robots. Assist humans in domestic, healthcare, and other service-oriented tasks. 3. Autonomous robots. Operate independently, making decisions and adapting to their environment. 4. Humanoid robots. Designed to mimic human appearance and movement. Applications of robotics. 1. Manufacturing and automation. 2. Healthcare and rehabilitation. 3. Space exploration and research. 4. Service and domestic assistance. 5. Education and research. Future of robotics. As robotics continues to advance, we can expect 1. Increased autonomy and decision-making capabilities. 2. Improved human-robot interaction and collaboration. 3. Expanded applications in various industries and domains. 4. Integration with emerging technologies like AI, IoT, and 5G. Robotics is a rapidly evolving field, transforming industries, and revolutionizing the way we live and work.